Hi, girls. Happy Friday. I'm on your next page of notes on reflections, day 2. So yesterday you got reflecting over the x-axis or the y-axis. Today you're going to reflect over any given line on your graph. So you can see first we're going to reflect over a horizontal line, and then you're going to reflect over a diagonal line. So what I want you to do is just count into the line and count over the line. So yesterday you learned rules that you have to memorize. Today we can just count. So we're going to start off with point C, which is at 2, -3. So I go to 2, -3 on my graph, put a point, label it C. Then I count into my line of reflection. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 places. So now count the same number in the other direction. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and label it C prime. And then you need to write your new coordinates, which would be 2, 7. Okay, and hopefully my voice has caught up to my hand and vice versa. So hopefully you're good. If it doesn't, just bear with it, because this is all I got. So D is at -6, 4. So -6, +4. That's D. And that's 1, 2 away from the line. So 1, 2 away in the other direction. Make sure you label it prime. Leaves you at -6, 0. All right, let's try it over a diagonal line. So I'm going to plot these 3 points, T, R, and S. So T is at 4, -6. R is at 0, -4. S is at 8, 1. Okay, and then I'm going to reflect over the diagonal line. Now, 2 methods. You can count diagonally in. So point T, counting diagonally in through the boxes, would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 boxes in. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 boxes in the opposite direction, or on the other side, I should say, would be T prime. So that's -6, 4. Okay, if you don't like counting diagonals, you can count using like a stair method. So that would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then continue the pattern. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Either method is fine. Next is R. So 1, 2 in, 1, 2 in. It's R prime. That's at -4, 0. And then S is 1, 2, 3 and a half in. So a half, 1, 2, and 3 would be S prime. So that's 1, 8. All right. Sorry, I have a class in here, and 2 of them are being giant dorks. So sorry for the interruption. They're doing a little dance, apparently. To each their own, to each their own. All right, this time we're going to reflect the whole shape. So basically reflect the points and then reconnect them. So let's start with L. L goes 1, 2 and a half. So a half, 1 and 2 is L prime, and that's -2, -3. And then M prime will go 1, 2, 3, 4 and a half, and a half, 1, 2, 3, 4. It's -2, -7. And then N. And that's at -5, -4. Get a straight edge and connect them. If you don't have a ruler, they're in the pink cup on the pink bookshelf to the left of the smartboard. You can also use the side of your calculator or an INS card. So you can see there's the reflection. If you have trouble visualizing it, turn your paper so that your diagonal line is vertical, and then you could see if you folded on it, it would reflect over. Okay, let's practice some points. So let's start with A. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Make sure you label with primes. Sorry, my old lady eyes lost the track of the lines. And then D, 1, 2, 1, 2. Alright, one more to go. So the quadrilateral over the diagonal line. So again, count in diagonally to the line. So 1, 2 and a half, 1, 2. Relabel with primes. It should look the same on the other side. If it suddenly becomes a triangle, you've made a mistake. And obviously F should go here, but just make sure. Good. And then use your straight edge. Connect it up. And that's it. Homework is, what is the homework for you guys? Pages 12 and 13. Have a good weekend.